Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to computer class. Today we will see chapter number 9, that is more for your computer. Okay, so let us see what else we can see in this lesson. In the previous chapters, in the previous lessons, what we have seen some input and output devices, right? We have seen what are input device, what are output device, and some more devices. Now in this lesson we are going to see few more devices that are used in computer. So there are other devices that we use with the computer, right? So the first device that we will see is a pen drive. What it is? The pen drive. This is a pen drive. We can move data from one computer to another using a pen drive. What it is used for? It is used to move data. Now what do you mean by data? Data means all the, it can be image file, okay, images, movies, songs, anything that is saved in a computer. Okay, if you want to copy that from one computer to another, you can use it by using a pen drive. It is used to store words, numbers and pictures. Okay, so everyone knows what is a pen drive. Say this is a pen drive. Where you can attach this pen drive, you have got this, like this part. Okay, on the CPU, you have got place to attach this on the side. Okay, when you insert this, you can access whatever data is there inside this, can be accessed from the computer or a laptop if you are using it. Okay, and you can transfer data from the computer to pen drive or from pen drive to computer. Okay, so pen drive is used to move data from one computer to another. Okay, so if you want to, I'll give you an example. Suppose I have got some pictures, some songs at my home. Okay, and I want to copy it in the computer that is there in a school. So how can I do it? I will use my pen drive. I will put it in my computer at home, copy the song on the pen drive, and then I'll get the pen drive to school, put that pen drive on the school computer, and then copy from pen drive to the computer, school computer. Okay, so this pen drive can be easily carried. We can keep it in a compass box or pouch and I can get it. But computer we cannot carry easily from one place to another. But pen drive we can carry. So it becomes easy to transfer data from one computer to another using a pen drive. Okay. Next is CD. CD, this is a CD. So I have got CD also for you to show. Okay, this is called as a CD. See how it looks. What is the shape of this CD? Circular shape, right? It is round shape. This is a CD. So this is a CD. CD stands for what? CD stands for compact disc. Compact disc. C for compact and D for disc. So this is called as compact disc. So in short form we call it as CD. It is used to store words, numbers and pictures. So like pen drive only, the CD is also used to store numbers. That means any letter if you have typed, any story, poem, that you can copy, or any pictures. Pictures means images that can be copied into the CD. Next is CD-ROM drive. Just as a tape recorder is required to play a cassette, the CD-ROM drive is required to play a CD. Okay, so CD-ROM drive is what? The place where you put the CD. Okay, CD जहाँ पे डालते हैं ना कंप्यूटर में या लैपटॉप में, उसको बोलते हैं CD-ROM drive. Okay. Next is the hard drive. The hard drive in a computer is the place where you can store the work you do, such as a letter that you type to a friend. It can store a very large amount of data. Now this hard drive is inside the CPU. CPU मालूम है ना सबको? okay, the big main part of the computer. This hard drive is inside that CPU. So whatever work you do on the computer, everything gets saved inside this hard drive. Okay. Then is the modem. A modem allows you to connect your computer to the internet. This is a modem. You must be having it at your home. Check at your home. अगर वाईफाई है ना घर पे, तो वाईफाई कहाँ से आता है? ये मॉडेम चाहिए ना उसके लिए. ये मॉडेम से बाहर से एक वायर आया रहेगा, वो इस मॉडेम को कनेक्ट होता है. And then from this we access Wi-Fi or we get internet. A modem allows you to connect your computer to the internet. It allows you to send electronic mail or email to a friend or to visit your favorite website on the internet. So in short, if you want to access internet, if you want to work on internet, you need to have internet connection first, right? So to have internet connection, you need to have this modem. This is known as modem. Okay, children? So these are the some more parts of the computer. What are those? It is a pen drive, then CD, CD-ROM drive, the hard drive and modem. Okay, these are few more parts of the computer. Now children, let us solve the exercise of this lesson. Exercise question 1 is fill in the blanks. First one, CD stands for. What does CD stands for? CD-ROM, modem or compact disc? Yes, CD stands for compact disc. A dash allows you to connect your computer to the internet. As I said just now over here, what helps you to connect your computer to the internet is the modem. So, modem allows you to connect your computer to the internet. The dash drive is required to play a CD. To play a CD, what drive you need is a CD-ROM drive. C and D capital you have to write, and then ROM, CD-ROM drive. Question 2, rearrange the letters to form the words below. Okay, rearrange. These are jumbled words. You have to rearrange and form these words. What do you think this is? NEPIDVRE? Yes, this is pen drive. PEN pen and DRIVE drive. Pen drive. Second one, DMEOM is modem. So, modem. Third one is website. Question 3, name these devices. Okay, you have to name this device. What is this device? It is a modem. So, modem. What is this? CD. And this is a pen drive. Right? Okay, so here we come to an end of this lesson. So I'll send you a picture of this lesson. Read this lesson 2 times, children, and the exercise notes I will write it in my notebook and give it to you. Write it in your computer notebook neatly. Thank you.